It's week 34 of actually going outside in 2026, and this week I'm out in the Whiteshell doing the Pine Point Rapids Trail. Well, the last bit here isn't the most exciting trail, it's just kind of a straight shot through the forest, but overall, I had a really lovely day. The first part of the hike along the big Canadian Shield rocks was lovely, lots of great moss and lichen and just gigantic slabs of rock, which are just, they're really cool. I've barely gotten started, and this is a really nice trail so far. I absolutely love the landscape in the Whiteshell. Just the giant exposed stone feels, I don't know, makes the landscape feel extra ancient. Just find it really impressive. And just really unique and beautiful, the way that the rocks almost flow. I always love forest boardwalks and little bridges on trails and things like that. I don't know why. I just find them very charming. The Pine Point Rapids were really nice. Oh. Hi there. The rapids were really nice. It's really, I don't know, I found it really fascinating how shallow the flow over the rocks was. Looks like it would be a good little natural water slide. Might hurt your butt, but maybe that would be worth it. It's like scatterings of duckweed trapped halfway down the rapids or something, in amongst this like really bright, pretty moss. I'm fascinated by the most mundane parts of the trail. And the falls were lovely. I spent a while just sitting there and enjoying the view and enjoying the sound of the running water. He's a big boy. Little friend over here. Another little friend over there. Real big guy right there. The weather was absolutely perfect today. It's about 22 degrees and sunny, with a good wind. And I guess it's late enough in the season that all the mosquitoes are gone, all the ticks are gone, didn't even get bugged by any flies. So just perfect, relaxing day for a hike. This stump is absolutely covered in mushrooms. And they're like leaking. Cool. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Very good. Oh no! What have I done? It's my first time out here, so it was cool to see the rapids and the falls, and just a great day to be outside, breathing the fresh air. This is called Acorn Falls, which is really adorable. I wonder if they're bigger when the water's higher in the spring. Like if they pour over all of this. Guess I'll have to come back and find out sometime. Really glad that I took the drive out here. I hear that it's really nice in the winter as well, so I might have to come back once it snows and take another look. So anyway, I think that's it for this week. See you next week.